Hi everyone, we're just right on the River Thames today, right in the heart of Fulham. I'm going to be showing you a really interesting development. It's a building from 1907 and it's called Palace Wharf. It's a really interesting building, so let's go and have a look. We're in the communal courtyard now of Palace Wharf. I really love the mixture of old buildings and new buildings. You've got a concierge there as well, and it's fully gated communities, and we're going to be having a look at this Oxbridge terrace. It comes with a parking space outside as well, so very, very convenient. Obviously, you're within the gated community, so your car is secure as well. Let's go and have a look at the house. Just coming in through the front door now. Let's head straight into the kitchen and dining area. It's a really exceptional space, and I'll tell you why. It's an open plan dining and kitchen area. It's got all of the appliances. Every room, every floor in this building has a west-facing view overlooking the River Thames. Let's go have a look at the other rooms and maybe go up to the first floor as well. I won't bore you with the small details, but you've even got a utility room here. You've got loads of storage space. You've got a guest bathroom right here, and great for entertaining downstairs. But there's also a very nice reception area on the first floor, which I'll also show you. This whole area, it has dual aspect, but of course, you're looking over the River Thames here again. You'll get loads of west-facing afternoon sun. You have access through it, and you have enough space to put plants, a nice little table. The entire apartment comes with integrated sound system. It's controlled by this panel right here. It's got comfort, cooling, and healing as well. Again, another space for entertaining and dining. Or who knows, for family members, maybe it's a nice area to do a little bit of homework. Let's have a look at the other bedrooms now. If you'll follow me to the second floor. Getting a little bit tired. We're here on the second floor, so one more floor to go. A little bit more exercise for me, but we're all good. Let's have a look at this bedroom. All of the bedrooms come with an ensuite, so no one's fighting over bathroom space. You even got a guest bathroom downstairs. This is the smallest bedroom. It overlooks the internal courtyard. It's got an integrated wardrobe here as well. And it's the smallest space, so maybe reserved for the smallest sibling, but we'll let them fight over it. Let's go and have a look at the other bedroom, the second bedroom. Again, it's just, I really, really love this house. It's hard to find a house that's fully secure. Every floor with a west-facing river view, and most of them having outside space as well. It's a really unique feature, and the house is in really, really good condition. There's an ensuite, as I mentioned before, in every room. Let's go and have a look at the master bedroom now and the terrace. You've got a door that opens out to the terrace, but I'll explain more in a second. We are in the master bedroom right now. This is just an amazing space. It opens right onto the outside space here, this terrace, and it's the biggest outside space of any floor, but it's really nicely designed. It's really fully equipped. Obviously, we're on the top floor now, so there's no one stopping above you. You have a really nice view of the river. And of course, we're in Fulham, so it's nice and green and pleasant. Let's have a look at the master bedroom itself. It's got fully integrated sound system, as I mentioned before, comfort, cooling. It's quite a large space. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a reasonable amount of furniture in here. You've got an ensuite as well. It's got marble throughout, Jack and Jill sink, walk-in shower, and you've also got a full-length bathtub, which from my angle, you can actually see the river from here. It's very nicely designed, I think. Let's go and have a look at the walk-in wardrobe. If you're a guy like me and you only have one suit, then this might be a little bit too much, but who knows? If I'm ever lucky enough to get a girlfriend, then maybe this might not be enough, but who knows? This is the end of the tour. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at this house with me today in Palace Wharf. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in this house, if you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you're interested in anything else Lixing has to offer, please get in touch. We'd love to speak to you. Thank you.